Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Low Carb Wishes, Keto Dreams. My name is Heather, and if you're tuning in for the first time, thanks for watching. Let me just ask this question first. Is it just me, or does this chair remind anybody else of Dr. Claw? I know it doesn't actually look like the chair, but it's just something about the shape of it. I feel like I'm like an evil genius sitting in this chair. All I need is like a white fluffy cat. It's my husband's. He picked it out after the fire. He wanted a chair that, he's 6'2", 260 pounds, so he wanted like a big and tall chair. And I feel like I'm swimming in this thing. I do. I feel like an absolute supervillain. But just like the shape of it and everything else reminds me of Dr. Claw from Inspector Gadget. And you can see the Babby toy in the background. Yes, thank you, Babby. So, today is October 1st. Yay! And let me preface this by saying I am way behind on posting videos. I have got some videos that are going to be coming up that I recorded like a week ago. And I know I've mentioned this before, but I'm going to be posting this video before those. So I have got 2 pumpkin videos recorded already. I've got the pumpkin spice simple syrup and a pumpkin spice cake that actually turned out pretty good. It's a bit dense. It's because I used coconut oil rather than butter. I was out of butter. I don't know how I ran out of butter. But it is, they're both really good. The cake kind of turned out a little more, I don't know, it almost was like a pie texture, really dense and sort of fudgy. So, both turned out really good. But yeah, no, the pumpkin spice syrup, that stuff's awesome. Just a couple spoonfuls of that in my coffee and I'm good. But yeah, so I'm so excited. It's finally October. I have been withholding, I've been wanting to get into like the Halloween recipes, and I've been like, calm yourself, Heather, calm yourself. So I've pinned a whole bunch of stuff on my Pinterest board, so I'm going to be combing through those and pulling some out pretty soon. A couple of the ones that I want to do are like fathead dough based ones that look really good. I think they're kind of kid friendly, so my daughter now is not eating much in the way of sugar. We're going to have to kind of buy back sugar from her with sugar-free options. So I'm hoping to do some fun stuff for her for Thanksgiving, or not Thanksgiving, Halloween, because she can't eat the candy anymore. I know, poor thing, evil sugar. But yeah, so I mean, like, I think the first one I'm gonna do is like mummy hot dogs or something like that. That'll be kind of fun. So I'm excited. Yay! It's officially October. I'm going to be pulling out all of my Halloween stuff, decorating my living room. My husband thinks I'm nuts. That's okay, because it's not his decorations. So, but yeah, I just wanted to pop on and let people know that these things were coming, that yes, I am behind in posting. I've been making more videos than I've been posting a week, so I'm a little behind in the posting department. Things have gotten, things get crazy. Life happens, and I don't always get on YouTube fast enough to post everything within a timely manner. I mean, there's a couple videos I made that I skipped that I was just like, you know what, it's not even relevant anymore to post it. So, yeah, this week's probably going to be a flood of videos. So, it's October. So yeah, just letting you know that those are coming, and the Halloween and pumpkin recipes will be flowing very soon. So we will talk to you later. Okay, bye.